Have you guys ever seen damage like this on your boxwoods and wondered what it could be? Well, maybe I can help you out. So I just pulled up to my parents' house and this boxwood's looking kind of funky. It looks like the leaves have like blisters on them. So, like I do, or like everyone should do, I grab some leaves and we look on the underside of the leaves, okay? And on the underside of these leaves, I see some holes. Now, if you didn't know what these holes were, you could just Google, why are there holes in my boxwood? But I'll tell you, they're boxwood leaf miners causing this damage. Something that can be easily treated with a systemic insecticide, but you do got to put a treatment down or else they're going to continue damaging the plant. In this particular case, the leaf miners aren't killing the bush, but they are giving it a little bit of a weird, lighter green color. And they're definitely leaving it thin and holy. You see how it's got a lot of these thin spots around? This bush would be thicker and fuller had it not been having these issues. What's happening is it's getting random dieback, and then of course a little bit of extra growth push trying to outgrow the insect, but it's just not keeping up because the damage is just too much. You can see more of that damage down here as well. A good place you can go to learn more about boxwood leaf miners is Ohio State University's website. This is one of the most in-depth articles I've come across on leaf miner damage with photos, the entire life cycle, the different symptoms that you're going to witness, and even when you can see predatory damage on that insect from maybe like birds and whatnot.
Wow.